Okay, this is the violin that the fingerboard has been clamped for about 3 days now. I could have taken the clamps off yesterday, but I'm going to go ahead and remove the clamps. I glued the fingerboard and the nut. The nut is this little piece that when the strings are wrapped around the pegs and they drape over this piece here and then they come up this way, that's called the nut. Okay, now I just need to, where are my scratches at? Here we go. There we go. Now, I'm just going to very carefully just make sure that there's no glue or anything sticking up. It feels really nice. Okay, same on this side here. Oh, there's a little spot right there. There. Okay, nice and smooth. There's a spot right there. Okay. Okay, now these are the original pegs. They actually fit really good. This is an antique violin, close to 200 years old. I think I'm going to keep the original pegs. There's nothing wrong with them. I'll just trim up the end a little bit. What I like to, you see how the end of this peg here where it sticks out, it's virtually flush. That's the way I like the rest of them to be. So you can see the end of this peg, it sticks out right here. I'm just going to clean that up a little bit, and the same with this one here and this one here. The fit is good. There's lots of shoulder. They're all about the same distance. I might adjust this one in slightly, but that's it. Yeah, this one looks like it's sticking out a little farther than the rest of them. The camera angle makes it look like it sticks way out, but not that much, but it is a little bit. So I'm going to just mill that down a little bit so that goes in there just a touch. But that's it. And then I'll fit the end pin, goes in the hole right there. This one here, you can see the end pin right there. I've already fitted that one. Fit the bridge, put the strings on it, and this will be a nice sounding violin. Got a nice ring to it. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it's got a nice ring to the wood. That's one little thing that you kind of look for. And that's that.